Hello, and welcome to another episode of Dick Barr's Real Estate News You Can Use. I'm Dick Barr, managing broker with the Dick Barr Group at Village Realty. And in today's episode, I want to talk about why so many Americans still view homeownership as the American dream. Buying a home is a powerful decision, and it remains a key part of the American dream. In fact, the 2022 Consumer Insights report from MYND found that the majority of people polled still view homeownership as a key life achievement. And let's explore just a few of the reasons why so many Americans continue to value homeownership. The financial benefits of owning a home. One possible reason homeownership is viewed so highly is because owning a home is a significant wealth building tool, and it provides meaningful financial stability over renting by locking in your monthly housing payments for the length of your home loan. An article from Forbes explains, understanding the potential benefits of homeownership helps individuals see the value of owning property instead of renting. Household wealth among homeowners is a whopping 1,500% higher on average compared to renters, excluding home equity, making the allure of homeownership even more enticing. Over time, owning a home not only helps boost your own net worth, but it also sets future generations up for success as you pass that wealth down. That may be why MYND report also says most Americans, 78%, still associate homeownership with the American dream, and nearly two-thirds of Americans, 65%, see homeownership as a means of building intergenerational wealth. The non-financial benefits of homeownership. While the financial benefits of owning a home are important, becoming a homeowner impacts you on a social and emotional level too. As Mark Fleming, chief economist for First American, says, buying a home is not just a financial decision. It's also a lifestyle decision. Your home provides feelings of achievement, responsibility, and more. 3x30 highlights the top 10 benefits that homeowners enjoy. A few non-financial advantages include providing you with more freedom and control over your living space, giving you a greater sense of pride, helps with community engagement. And what does that mean for you? If your definition of the American dream involves greater freedom and prosperity, then homeownership could play a major role in helping you achieve that dream. While it may feel challenging to buy a home today as mortgage rates and home prices rise, if the time is right for you, know that there are incredible benefits waiting for you at the end of your journey. You'll have a place you can grow your wealth, call your own, and feel most comfortable. Like the National Association of Realtors says, research has consistently shown that homeownership is also associated with multiple economic and social benefits to individual homeowners. Homeownership has always been an important way to build wealth. Here's the bottom line. Buying a home is a powerful decision and a key part of the long-term dream for many Americans. And if homeownership is part of your dreams, let's connect to start the process today. Thank you very much and have a great day. Home. We spend over 2,000 hours every year away from it, under constant pressure for perfection. Our work-life balance leaves us longing to return home. At the Dick Barr Group, we understand how life's everyday stresses can take their toll on you, which is why we don't rest until we've found you your perfect home. On your time, not ours. Welcome home, America. It's nice to have you home.